All right, thanks for joining us. This is a customer's LBZ, LMM, whichever. CP3 pump he sent in, said he had a leak, wanted it tested, and wanted me to repair the leak. So Jeff, this is you. This is your pump. You can see we've got diesel fuel coming up out of this port. I've already fixed it. This plug was just simply loose. I didn't wipe it off so it would show up in the video. I'm getting ready to retest it. Second thing, I guess Bosch got in haste, you know, when they were running production and decided they could probably machine these surfaces a little quicker. The surface finish on the back of the pump where the supply pump bolts on and seals off, there's 3 O-rings around here. It was weeping around those O-rings because the surface finish was just essentially too rough. Now, I could fix it, but I have to take the pump completely apart and you know, probably take like a piece of 600 grit wet wet or dry sandpaper and, you know, sand this surface to smooth it up. What I did was replace the O-rings, and that has fixed it. Not going to be a permanent fix. At some point, at some time, it's going to start weeping again. But, you know, short of you spending quite a bit of money, a substantial amount, for me to completely break this pump down, and because you're talking probably 3.5 or 4 hours labor at $120 an hour, you can replace the pump for that. So the pump's good. It tests good. It's not leaking now. That has been repaired, and I'm just going to run it here for a minute and verify to you that it is fixed and it's not leaking. To start up my phase converter. So I'm going to go up to 3,500 RPM. Let's see, turn the supply pumps on. They were on. Turn them on again. And here we go. So there you go. It's dry and it's a good pump, and I guess that's all we need to know. All right, thanks for joining us today. If anybody needs their pumps tested, or we do modifications to the pumps to make them flow more, also convert them to stroker pumps so they flow even more fuel. Pump testing, common rail injector testing, injector building, whatever. I do all that stuff here. Been doing it for, well, since 2007. So ever how many years that is? 17, 16 years, something like that. Anyway, I can't count. Thanks for joining us today. Once again, Jeff, this is your pump, and it's fixed, and it's ready to come back to you. Expect an email from me. Thanks.